just in case there are any bugs in there. But, you know, I just heard a horror story about a scorpion in a little kid's tennis shoe, and they didn't know and put it on and just stung him repeatedly on his tiny little foot. And it's just, oh my gosh, anything though to protect our kids from all these bugs right now. They're all so hot and thirsty.
Yes, they are, unfortunately, and they're getting into places where they shouldn't be as well, Casey. You know, got to use that bug spray as well safely. Unfortunately, it is the heat of summer. We're dealing with the critters. We're also dealing with the tropics as well. Here's a live, well, I wouldn't say a live look, but a look at Hurricane Beryl as it continues to barrel its way off to the west. 140-mile-per-hour winds and moving off to the west-northwest at 20 miles per hour. This is a relatively quick moving storm, folks, and it will be arriving near the Yucatan Peninsula as we head into the end of the week. And I think by 1 o'clock Friday, it is going to start to make its landfall over the Yucatan and then move into the Gulf of Mexico. Now, a lot of factors here driving the direction of the storm. The current expectation is that this makes landfall in northern Mexico. That's where the center of the cone is. That's the most likely scenario. However, depending on the ridge of high pressure out to our east, depending on the placement of that and how the winds influence Hurricane Beryl, that track could tick up a little further to the north and make landfall near South Padre, maybe as far north as Corpus Christi. Not in the forecast right now, but it is one of the scenarios that we are tracking in with any tropical system. We do tend to see lots of scenarios that may or may not play out. So stay tuned for the latest. Right now, minimal impacts to East Texas. What is impacting us is the ridge of high pressure that continues to give us that sinking air. So other than a shower or two in deep East Texas, we're not going to see a lot of rain over the next couple of days. Still 97 atop the Plaza Tower. Temperatures across the board are very warm, mid to upper 90s, with the exception of deep East Texas, where Lufkin, Nacogdoches, and Center are all in the low to middle 90s. Dew points a little lower than where they were yesterday. Dew points are in the 70s. And you still factor that in. While it doesn't feel as warm as it did yesterday, it's quite intense with the heat. 100 to 110 in most places. That's what it feels like when you step outside. The excessive heat warning has been re-upped until 8 o'clock tomorrow evening for heat index values anywhere from 105 to 111. So tonight it will be warm and humid. If you're heading out to any of those fireworks display, make sure you bring an extra bottle of water. 79 degrees will be your low. 100 for tomorrow. Lots of sunshine and hot, so be careful if you're going to be outside, because there is a chance we do see another triple-digit day. Now, as we look at Futurecast tomorrow morning, we're just seeing a few clouds, nothing to mention as far as rain goes. No rain tomorrow afternoon or evening, so any 4th of July fireworks displays, we're probably in pretty good shape there. There's the front northwest of us Friday morning, moving into our northern counties Friday evening. This is 6 o'clock. A few bubble-up showers and thunderstorms responding to the lift we are going to see along the front. And then the front itself is going to slide to the south and to the southeast. And over the next several days, it will give us pretty decent rain chances. And over the next 7, we could see 2 to 3 inches in deep East Texas, with a little less further off to the north. All right, let's get you to your July 4th forecast. Around 100 degrees tomorrow, and then maybe a storm or two after midnight off to the north, but I don't expect widespread rain or anything like that early Friday morning. The better chance of rain will be Friday afternoon and evening. Additional rain chances Saturday, and then isolated storms possible Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. It's remaining hot and humid, and then as we look at deep East Texas before we go, temperatures will be in the upper 90s and lower 80s. Decent rain chances do return for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Casey.